Our beloved Tita is truly one of a kind. A person who has always put others before herself, dedicating her life to caring, giving, and inspiring those around her. She never gets tired of helping, whether it's through delicious meals prepared with love or through her tireless dedication to ensure the family's well being. Today, as we celebrate your 70th birthday, dear Tita, we want to honor the incredible person you are and the life you have lived. You are the heart of our family, always there to support us, guide us, and bring light into our lives. For every sacrifice you have made, for every moment you have spent making sure we are cared for and happy, we are forever grateful. 70 years of life, and you have filled every one of them with love, kindness, and hard work. Your generosity, resilience, and unwavering dedication to others are treasures that no words can fully capture. Your life is a shining example of how much joy can come from giving, of how love can transform the world around us. But today, on your special day, we want you to receive the love you so freely give. It is our turn to show you just how much we appreciate you and how deeply you are loved.
Happy birthday! More birthdays to celebrate. Hope you're always uh, healthy and strong.
70th birthday ate. Wish ko maging masaya ka sa ano na to. At magkaroon ka ng marami pang kaarawan. At magandang kalugsugan. I love you. Take care and God bless you always. Happy birthday rin daw, sabi ni Shell.
Ate Edna, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. I wish for you good health, long life, strong, God always with you. At sa iyo, ang makapangyarihan Diyos. Hindi ka pababayaan dahil sobra kang matulungin. Happy birthday and God bless you.
Tita Eds, we love you so much. Ingat ka dyan. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Lola Edna.
Hello Mama at sa lahat ng nandyan para makiselebrate sa iyong kaarawan. Nagpapasalamat ako kasama ng aking buong pamilya sa buhay mo at naging mama kita na nagpangalan sa akin. Maraming salamat Mama sa walang sawang pag-intindi, pagsuporta at pagmamahal sa amin. Dalangin namin na magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang buhay at malakas na pangangatawan. Sana masaya ka ngayon sa iyong kaarawan at hanggang sa mga susunod pa. Our wish for you is for you to live a long and happy life and more blessings to come. We love you, Mama. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday po, Lola Eds! I hope po na nag-enjoy po kayo ngayong araw po nyo dahil sa inyong birthday. And gusto ko po magpasalamat po sa inyo dahil sa continuous po na pag-alala nyo po sa amin, sa pagsuporta nyo po, hindi nyo po kami nakakalimutan. And I pray lang po na magkaroon pa po kayo ng long life. And I hope po isang taon na makauwi po kayo ulit para makasama po namin kayo kapag po may mga importanteng event like mga Christmas and New Year. Ayun po. I hope po na mag-enjoy po kayo talaga ngayon for your birthday. Ayun po. Happy birthday! Thank you so much po.
Happy birthday, Lola Ed! We love you!
Happy birthday, Ninang! Sorry we're not there to celebrate you. We hope you're having the best birthday, the best celebration, and may you have many more years to come. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Hello, Ninang. Happy birthday. Congratulations. Today is your day. Hope you have a great day.
Happy birthday, Tita! We love you!
Eds! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo! Marami pang birthday ang marating. 70 na. Bigyan ka pa ng malakas na katawan. Hanggang makarating ng Sandaang taon.
Happy birthday, Eds! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Anong handa natin? Masalo naman. Ang wish ko, I wish that your wishes will come true. Okay? Ayos lang, no? I love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Ed. We love you and we miss you.
Edna, happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! God bless! See you soon! Huwag magpapakapagod sa part-time.
Happy birthday, Tita Eds! Wish you na lagi good health ka. God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday po, Mami Ed. Ingat po kayo dyan. We love you po. God bless. Stay safe.
Hi, hello. Have a nice day. I would like to greet my cousin, Tita Eds. Again, happy 78th birthday and regards to all mga insan. Okay, enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Eds. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay good health, peace of mind, and always happy.
Happy birthday, Tita Ed! Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. And sana ay palagi kang healthy. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Oh, we wish you po good health and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Umpe.
God bless you. Take care.
I hope you enjoy your day.
Bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Edna. Kamusta ka na dyan?
Thank you daw.
Salamat.
Hello, Ate Ed. Wishing you a grace-filled and truly joyful 70th birthday. A milestone that reflects the wisdom, grace, and strength you have gathered throughout the years. Your life journey indeed has been an inspiring one, filled with moments of love, laughter, and cherished memories. May this special day bring you all the blessings and the happiness you deserve, and may the years ahead be filled with God's presence and continued health, peace, joy, and serenity. Happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday.
Ito na si Adrian.
Happy birthday,
yung anak niya.
Happy
Si
birthday,
Mama.
Buboy!
Asan Mama?
Happy birthday, Buboy! Happy birthday, Buboy! Happy birthday,
Hi.
Hi, good evening.
Good
Good day.
evening. O good morning.
Oh,
Kung nasaan ka.
andito kami para magbigay sa iyo ng isang magandang mensahe mula sa akin si John, si Ellen at ang aking bunso, si Clarice. Sige Clarice, batiin mo na kung ano.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Naway bigyan ka pa ng maraming kaarawan ng Panginoon Diyos at lagi kang gagabayan sa iyong araw-araw na gawain.
Bobo!
Happy
Ano
birthday!
yung aming apo, yung anak ni Edna.
Edna, happy 70th birthday. Ang hangad ko lang sa iyo ay lagi kang malakas ng katawan at laging magsaya sa buhay. Nang marami pang kaarawan ang dumating sa iyong buhay. Muli, happy birthday at laging ingat. God bless.
Happy 70th birthday, Insan Edna. More birthdays to come. Sana'y palaging malakas ang katawan. Keep safe always. From Pasha family.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Ed. Wishing you all the best with long life and satisfied. Be blessed beyond measure. We love you, Tita Ed. Mag-iingat ka lagi diyan sa Germany. Love ka namin. Bye!
Hello, Ate Edna. Happy birthday. Your kindness, wisdom, and generosity inspire us daily. Happiest birthday. May your day fill with warmth and happiness. And from the Bible verse, Genesis 27:28, may God give you of the dew of heaven and of the fatness of the earth. Happiest birthday again, Ate Edna.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Edna. Happy 70th birthday. We wish you a very, very, very happy life and, of course, your health as well.
Thank you so much, Ed, sa lahat-lahat ng kabaitan nyo, sa mga pamilya ng tatay, pamilya ng lahat. Ate Marilyn.
Happy birthday, Edna! God bless!
Heart.
Happy birthday, Ninang! Wishing you lots of happiness, good health, and all the things that make you smile. You deserve the best today and always. Enjoy your special day po!
Happy birthday, Edna!
Happy birthday, Insan! Sana ipagkaloob ni Lord ang lahat ng wish ng puso mo. Wish ko ang good health and happiness na deserve mo. Continue to be a blessing sa lahat sa amin na part ng buhay mo. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. God bless. Good health. Keep safe and God bless you always. Love you.
Hello, Pinsan. Good afternoon sa iyo. Andito ako, bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday. Pinsan, I miss you very much. At sana sa mga susunod na panahon, makasama ka pa namin. Alam mo naman na namimiss ko na rin yung magkakasama tayong magpipinsan. Sila Madam, makasama natin. At nga pala, Edna, happy birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana humaba pa ang buhay mo, makapiling ka pa ng mga family mo, at andito lang kami para sa'yo. Huwag mo sana kaming kalilimutan. Birthday mo ngayon. Happy birthday, Pinsan.
Hi, Ed! Happy birthday to you! Eto, bibidyo greeting kami sa'yo. Ni Mother. Ito ang nagbibidyo.
Happy birthday, Edna!
I wish you all the best, Ed. I know naman na okay ka dyan, together with your friends and some relatives. So, wish ko na lang na maging completely happy ka today. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Edna. O yan, yung magdamag na. Yung magdamag naman. Yung puyat ka.
Na di ako nakatulog, alaala ko lamang ang iyong kaalaman.
Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Sana ay humaba pa ang buhay mo.
Amin, Edna.
Happy birthday! Regard to everybody out there.
May your life continue to be filled with blessings, good health, happiness, and peace. Thank you for everything you have done and continue to do for us and for others. We love you more than words can ever express. Happy 70th birthday, Tita Edna.